Here's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade. It's iconic and uncompromising and done on a grand scale. It comes with great features you love. V8 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, external memory control, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection comments, while offering the acceleration and responsiveness of a smaller luxury vehicle, the Escalade offers one of the most comfortable, lavishly appointed interiors available in any SUV. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Call us today at 1-866-470-0171.
For value.